Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want strong reasoning, coding power and efficient problem solving, using the DeepSeek model in Perplexity AI is a great choice, especially for technical tasks. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use DeepSeek in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI, so go to perplexity.com or perplexity.ai, okay, or open the mobile app. So log into your account, be ready to use DeepSeek, okay? So now start a new query, okay? So click new search or new thread, okay? Put the input box, okay, in front of you here. Select the DeepSeek model, so look for model selector, which is this one. Choose DeepSeek, okay? So we don't have the choice here. Maybe we should upgrade our version. So confirm selection. The model will be activated. So enter your prompt. For example, after that, enter the prompt: fix this Python error, or explain this algorithm, or solve this math problem step by step. So you have to be specific, okay, to get the clear inputs. Submit your query, so click send after that, okay, and DeepSeek will generate response, okay, and review output. So use it for coding tasks, okay, ideal for debugging code, writing scripts, explaining functions, for example, optimize this code, okay? So use it for logic and math, for example, solve this equation, explain step by step reasoning, okay? It's a strong analytical output, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.